Hi mates, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you something very cool. Do you know that you can set a GIF as a wallpaper on your Android device? If you don't know how to do it, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do it. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end to learn how to do it. So first let's open Google and here search for some GIF that we want to add. Let's say coffin dance GIF like this, and let's download some. Let's say this one. Yeah, this one is cool. Actually, let's download this. Yeah, so hold your finger on the video and just actually I have an option to set it as a wallpaper, but yeah, just save the image like this, hello, and you save the image. So now make sure you downloaded this app, GIF Live Wallpaper, because from this app I'm gonna show you how to set your GIF that you downloaded to your Android device. So here, yeah, when you downloaded your GIF, just open your the app that I showed you and click here on this arrow that is facing down here and click on gallery. So now click on albums, and as you can see you have just find the video that you find a GIF that you downloaded, select it, zoom in a little bit, and yeah, that's it. Actually you can change the speed of the video. Oh no, this, wait, yeah, the speed of the video, and you can rotate it if you want it. And yeah, when you're done here, just click on the check mark, set a wallpaper and choose where you want to set it, home screen, and that's it. Now you have a GIF as a live wallpaper on your Android device. That was it. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitant and ashamed to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.